Hi friends, welcome to ID Box EX platform. This is completely an arbitrage platform. You can buy INRC currencies using your USDTs and Indian money. For starting trading in this platform, first of all we must know how to register in this platform. Using our invitation link, you just come to this page and enter your mobile number here. After entering your mobile number, you just give a password to it, and after that click on send code option. After that you will receive an SMS and just enter the code you got in this SMS. After that you just click on register option. This was the registration process. After completing the registration step, you can see this window. In this window there are some important parts. In that important part, the first part is you just go to main option. In that main option there is an Aadhaar verification. You just go to this Aadhaar verification and you just give your name, your Aadhaar number, and a photo of your Aadhaar should be uploaded. After the uploading your Aadhaar details, it will be verified by the backend system, and after it is success, it will be showed as verified. You can see here it was verified. So it was now the complete registration process has been completed and you can start trading now. So after that you just click on above 500 option. So here I am already given order of 500 rupees. So you can select your own amount for recharging. So here I am going to tap on pay option, and in this you just copy this account number and bank name and you just complete the payment option. So after clicking 500 rupees you can see this window. Here we can buy and sell our INRC details. So for selling it you just add your bank account. So here you can select your bank account and give your name. After that give your card number and your IFSC code. That's all. So now we are going to see how to buy it. So we select the currency INRC. So now we are going to do in rupees. If we done in USDT, you will be get a reward of 3% additional. So now I am going to purchase with rupees. Now I am selected a 500. You can select it is 500 or 5000 and click on confirm buy option.
Your new trade order.
So now our order has been placed and we just tap to pay. So now we just see this window. Here there is a Hi friends, welcome to ID Box EX platform. This is completely an arbitrary approved. You can see that 500 IN part here. Now we are going to sell it. So for selling it you must add your bank card before that. So my bank card has been added here and I am going to sell my all of my value and just click on confirm. It will be sold. I will get a reward of 2%. You can see that the profit was very high in this platform. Now I am click on confirm option. Now my order has been submitted. After submitting the order, we can see an INRC option of 500 here. I just confirm whether the amount has been received or not within the time limit. If the amount has been received in within the time limit, you must click on this confirm received option. It is very important that to click in this option. Before clicking the option, you must check your bank account that the concerned amount 500 rupees it has been debited to your this credited to your this bank account, and press on confirm received option and you will be get one more confirmation about it. You just confirm it. This is all and the amount has been credited to your account. You has been successfully confirmed it. So now I am going to show you that how can we invite our friends to in this platform. You just click on invite link. Here you can see that if we invite a friend, we can get a reward up to 20% for every transaction. For example, is your friend in 10,000, you will be get a 2,000 rupees. You cannot get a higher amount than this in any other platforms. you can see that agent levels are 3 levels. In first level, the income ratio was been 30%. For example, if your friend has been got and 10,000 rupees, you will be get a 3,000. In second level, it is 20, nearly 2,000 for a 10,000 transaction, and in third level it will be 10%. And below that you can see your reward amount total, your top friends contribution, and your ranking of your friends and your. For this you can do only just one thing. This is your invitation code. You just share your link to other friends. Just copy here and share to via WhatsApp or Telegram of your friends. So through this you can invite your friends. We can see that this much invitation bonus has been never get in any other platform. So this is all about IDBox ES platform. It is very simple and easy. First you just register. After you come here and you can sell or buy in this option. After the amount received, you can get unlimited incomes. Before that you just give other verification. After the verification completed, only your banks will be start for processing. Thank you.